What's happening everyone, my name is Alex and welcome back. So you got yourself a brand new Samsung Galaxy S9 or S9 Plus, and as we all know this phone isn't exactly cheap. Now a cheaper way to buy this phone would be to buy it from a carrier, but if you did that your phone is probably locked to that carrier. So if you ever plan on traveling or if you ever plan on switching carriers, you're gonna have to unlock the phone. So in today's video I'm gonna show you how to easily unlock your Samsung Galaxy S9 or S9 Plus. Now keep in mind that this is a paid service and this video is also being sponsored by the unlockingcompany.com. First things first, you're gonna need your phone's IMEI, and to do that you're gonna open the dialer and you're gonna dial *#06# and the IMEI will show up. Once you have your IMEI, you're gonna open the browser on the phone or on the computer and you're gonna go to the unlockingcompany.com. On the first page there you're gonna select the manufacturer, which is Samsung in this case, and then you're gonna select the model number, which is the S9 Plus in my case, or it could be the S9 or the S9 Plus in your case. After pressing unlock, now you're gonna go to the next page, and on the next page you're gonna select the country where you bought the device from and the carrier where you bought the device from. So this is the carrier that the phone is locked to. On the next page, you're gonna enter your phone's IMEI, and this is the IMEI that we got at the beginning of the video. You're also gonna enter your name and your email address, and this is the email address where you're gonna receive the email with the unlock code. You can already see the price for the unlock code and the average delivery time on the right hand side of the page. After you press pay now and pay for your order, you're gonna get an email that contains the unlocking code for your device. Once you got that, you're gonna need a SIM card from a different carrier, and it doesn't matter what carrier it is, you just need a different SIM card from the one that the phone is currently locked to. As soon as you insert that other SIM card, the phone is gonna ask you for an unlock code. So enter the unlock code that you got in the email and then press OK, and then the phone is gonna tell you that the unlocking operation was successful. And that's it, your phone is now unlocked and you can use it with any carrier anywhere in the world, and it doesn't matter if you do a factory reset on the phone will stay unlocked forever from now on. Alright guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did like it, press that like button, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.